There was a king who once attacked a certain city or fort, and he tried to conquer it more than 6 times. So with his army, he attacked that area, that city or that fort, and he did not succeed. After more than 6 attempts, he sat down completely hopeless, in a hopeless state, in a state of complete failure. He considered himself to have failed in this task. As he was thinking this, in this state of frustration, he caught sight of an ant which was trying to climb a certain part of a wall. And each time it would try to climb, it would fall. And it would try to climb again, it would fall again. And he was watching this ant not giving up in its climb. He took this as a sign. And from this spectacle, he was able to come to this conclusion that the key to success is effort. It is endeavor, working hard, really striving. If you strive, you succeed for what you strive in. And after this renewed sense of belief, he got up and he succeeded in his mission to conquer that fort or that city. The lesson for us being that the principle is a general principle of life which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has expressed in the Quran. From a religious and Islamic perspective, when we look at effort and endeavor, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here is saying, those who strive in our way, we shall guide them, or we shall most definitely show them our paths. So if you, me and you, strive in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and our striving is a sincere striving, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised us, has expressed that He will most definitely guide us. He will most definitely show us His paths. The problem is we don't make that effort. And without effort, there is no fruit. There is no result.